Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account that holds your backup and making sure your device is ready. Sign in with your credentials and enable two-step verification only if required. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, plug in the charger if battery is low, and check available storage. Now open Settings right arrow Google right arrow Backup, or launch the Google Drive app, because this is where you'll locate the backed up data and trigger the restore process. You'll now choose the specific backup to restore from, review the timestamp so you pick the right snapshot. Next, tap Restore and let the system queue apps, call History, Contacts, and Device Settings. Make sure to grant any requested permissions so apps reinstall properly. Meanwhile, open Google Photos to restore original quality images if included, and check Google Drive for large documents. Manually download any files not auto-restored. This staged approach avoids missing items and keeps downloads organized. Finish by confirming all data appears. Open Contacts, Photos, and Drive to spot missing items, and launch restored apps to verify saved settings. If an app didn't restore, reinstall from the Play Store and sign back in. Some apps restore only after you authenticate. If restore stalls, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, there's adequate storage and a stable connection, and try clearing cache for the backup or Drive apps before retrying the restore process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.